Hello, it's Cynthia, Rocyka Fotografie. Yesterday I had posted this image with my Driftwood I created in Discord, Midjourney. I got a lot of reactions and especially what my prompts are, but also if I sell them. Yes, I do sell them, but I decided today to just gift it to you in my group. I want to show you the quick way to use these. To show you, for instance, this is my first prompt. I liked it. I didn't like the fluff lot. So I changed the inner side to fluff I have in my studio. So I made a separate picture of my fluff. I edited it in here, as you can see, so that the transfer is very easy. And not only when the baby is laying down. So I decided just to grab this one, another one, and to edit this one in. So it's just a quick tutorial on how easy it is. You have your digital open and you choose roughly what you want to transfer. Copy, and we paste it into the digital. We scale it, and most of the time I pull back the opacity to see where I am in the digital, and I think he can be somewhere here. Okay, 100%. We put a mask on it. That's my bird you are hearing. She is sitting here next to me. Hello. We get a black pencil and we just going on 100% to the edge. And because I made my digital with the same layer I use in my studio, this is as quick as it can get. It's very natural and it's done. So just a little bit of fine tuning. Oh. And you're ready. React in the comments with Freebie and I will send you this digital for free. Bye bye.